Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. You guys know that feeling of anticipation that you get when you're out just completely at random, maybe not even rail fanning, and you see those crossbucks light up at a crossing? Well, that's the feeling that I got here earlier today when I was looking through some really old video and caught a glimpse of something that I haven't seen in a very long time, and that's one of my BN trains running at the Sioux Valley Model Engineer Society in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So power on this train is a pair of factory painted SD40-2s, my custom built SD40-2B, the 7502, and the Hustle Muscle SD45. So I guess this is where we're going to pull the pin on this particular episode. I hope you enjoyed the content here. If you did, smash that like button, leave us a comment, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.